This is it. At long last. The special mission everyone has been wishing for. We're finally gonna draw all the dinosaurs. Every prehistoric shard of history now complete and finally ready. And to start off, we're gonna start by drawing one of my favorite dinosaurs. The one that inspired me to draw all these amazing gods in the first place. Allosaurus, codenamed Big Al. And all those who are watching this at home, this one's for all of you. I've taken a huge interest in dinosaurs ever since the day I first came to life. My love for it is relentless. I will, I promise! Alright. As I was saying, Allosaurus, well, one of my favorite Allosaurs that was first discovered, besides the one in the Museum of Natural History, is the one that was discovered in Wyoming, codenamed Big Al. They created a Walking with Dinosaurs special based on it. I have the actual DVD. See how beautiful it is? There we go. Now we draw the tail. As you have noticed, Big Al has been one of my most favorite dinosaurs during the Walking With series. You can tell by its species by recognizing the crest on top of its skull. It is, well, basically one of the tallest. Well, basically there are other dinosaurs that have that same crest, like, well, let's just say it's a long story. Let's just find the page. Alexa, play it again. Alright. Found the feet. There we are. This first episode goes out to a good friend of mine. One of my favorite dinos. Yeah, I've already told you him. Big Al has been a big inspiration ever since I've came to the museum and retrieved this DVD. I even created a special painting for it, and I gave it to the museum. I just slipped it into the ticket box. Well, I slipped it into the ticket booth, and well, hopefully I hope they found it. They'll be a big inspiration for everyone. The dinosaurs, these guys are never gonna stop evolving. There he is. That's how you draw Allosaurus, otherwise known as Big Al. One of these days, I promise, I'll visit the museum where he is, and I'll ask the guys who found him to sign my DVD. Everyone who has seen this amazing dinosaur, and everyone who's discovered Big Al's past, has been a serious eye-opener, and, well, hopefully we'll get to see... Hopefully there might be other... Hopefully we might uncover more about Big Al's past. The Jurassic Age was easy. And, well, Walking with Dinosaurs had one more chronicle to add to this series, and I'm proud that they included Big Al onto the series. I'm glad that we discovered the past on Big Al. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Big Al. Alexa, what is Allosaurus?
Allosaurus is a genus of large carnisaurian theropod dinosaur that lived 155 to 145 million years ago during the Late Jurassic epoch. The name Allosaurus means different lizard alluding to its unique cone-shaped vertebrae. It is derived from the Greek lambda lambda omicron sigma and sigma alpha rho omicron sigma. The first fossil remains that could definitively be ascribed to this genus were described in 1877 by paleontologist Admiral Charles Moore.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Thank you, Alexa. Well, we'll ask more from her real soon. Allosaurus has been my favorite and my first favorite dinosaur. This one goes out to everyone who has enjoyed the Walking with Dinosaurs series. Farewell, boys. Stegosaurus, see you later.